We're going to be looking at some mathematical expressions in C++. An expression is a programming statement that has a value. So if we look at this right here, 3 is going to be our expression. It's a statement and it has a value. So 3, again, is the expression. All algebra expressions must be fully written out, no exceptions. We have to have plus, minus, equal signs. We have to have that mathematical logic there. However, we can't use exponents. For mathematical functions like this, we need to use the CMath in our header. So we need to include CMath, and then we can use something like the following right here. Int exponent is just a variable that we're creating, and we're setting it equal to pow, 2 parentheses, and then 5 and 2 is in here. Now what this does is it raises 5 to the second power. If we were to change this value to like 3, it would raise 5 to the third power. So the first one is the lower portion, and then the second part is whatever it's raised to. Again, we must include the CMath in our header to use pow or other math function. Now if we look at the example that we have here, if I have an int exponent and pow 5, 2, and then I also have double exponent 1, double exponent 2, well, you can see that they're all going to produce the same result. I have that in our third part right here, where I do a cout and I print all the exponents. Doesn't matter if it's an int or double. If it can, it's going to return it as an integer value. Even if you have this as a 2.0, it's going to return an integer value. So notice we'll have 25, 25, 25 again. This is going to return 25. This is going to return 25, and so is this. So that's just how powers would work. There's more mathematical functions in the CMath library, and that's pretty much it for the C++ example. If you want more C++, it's in the playlist link below the like button. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments below.